Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can share your Instagram account with someone. Before you start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up a platform to where you want to share your Instagram account. So let's say I want to share my Instagram account to someone on WhatsApp. So what I'll have to do is simply open up WhatsApp, select the person I want to share my Instagram account to, and on the message, all I'll have to do is type in instagram.com/my profile name. So after the slash, you'll have to type in your profile name. So in my case, it is this, and then simply click on the send option, and the Instagram account has been sent. As you can see, after I click on the link and open up Instagram, the page or the Instagram account that I want to share has been shared. I hope this video helped you to share your Instagram account with someone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.